Types of chemical reactions. The interaction of elements and compounds produces a wide variety of substances. The process by which such interaction occurs is known as chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are of different types. Some of them are described here. Combination reactions. Reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Magnesium and oxygen combine to form a single compound, magnesium oxide. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form a single compound, water. Carbon and oxygen combine to form a single compound, carbon dioxide. Hydrogen and chlorine combine to form a single compound, hydrogen chloride gas. Sodium and chlorine combine to form a single compound, sodium chloride. Decomposition reactions. Those reactions in which a single compound breaks up into two or more simple substances are known as decomposition reactions. Calcium carbonate breaks up into two simpler substances, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Potassium chlorate splits up into two simpler substances, potassium chloride and oxygen. Water splits up to form two simple substances, hydrogen and oxygen. Sodium chloride splits up to form two simple substances, sodium and chlorine. Aluminium oxide splits up to form two simple substances, aluminium metal and oxygen gas. Displacement reactions. Reaction in which one element takes the place of other element in a compound. In general, more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from a compound. Zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate compound. The copper is set free and zinc sulfate is formed. Magnesium displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and magnesium sulfate is formed. Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and iron sulfate is formed. Copper displaces silver from silver nitrate solution and copper nitrate is formed. Magnesium displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid solution and magnesium chloride is formed. Double displacement reactions. the reactions in which two compounds react to form two different compounds by mutual exchange of ions is called double displacement reactions. Silver nitrate and sodium chloride react to form two new compounds, silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Barium chloride and copper sulfate react to form two new compounds, barium sulfate and copper chloride. Copper sulfate and hydrogen sulfide react to form two new compounds, copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide react to form two new compounds, sodium chloride and water.